Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. From the highest to the lowest vibrations, experience the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Religious teaching is not just to be passed on, but believed and practiced. Devotees are supposed to be on the same side. Speculative conclusions are not theoretical and are flawed even when right. Particularly spiritually, if you're just going baseless, just wandering without anything, then, because theoretical has to be based on the facts that you have, right? And if you're intending to make stuff up rather than go towards truth, even if you happen upon truth, you're not, your authenticity in claiming it or your sourcing for it is not with the same intentions. Meditation and fruition are but parts of the left hand and right hand path. The senses can be representatives of the light beings, and the mind can be of God. God is always in the Holy Land. True scripture is ever fresh. Don't divorce religious truth from the ethical and cosmological truths in it. The plans of good use don't justify evil deeds, and those beliefs of justification can make it worse. If you are willing to direct one's sight, hearing, or understanding to God, then the rest of surrender follows, and we receive in exchange. God is whom is in control, and without limit in opulences. Sacred scripture is supposed to be God's speech. Divine parentage and descent is not to be understood like the literal way creations or parents and children are shift to diminish or increase in other ways. Liberation and our learning are the points of devotional service, but they are products of it. There was a time when the world was covered in water. There will be a time when the world will be scorched. Divine coming will not be upon human terms of liking. God is the justly proud. God goes beyond personality. The physical processes of yoga are part of developing control of the mind. Divine reward is not to be used without the memory of God. Legacy and memory can be a means to save even 14 generations. Divine service is not to be mixed. Like some people literally, we're going to serve the infernal here, and serve the divine here, and serve this over here. Or they perform an act. And anyways. Sattvam Vesundam Vasudeva Samditam Yariyate Tatra Puman Apavrata Sattvacha Tasmin Bhagavan Vasudevo Ye Adoksha Jome Namasa Vindiyate. Vasudeva Sabditim. Vasudeva was known as of pure consciousness because it's revealed there The Supreme Person, without any covering, was in consciousness. And in that, the Supreme Personality of God, Vasudeva, because of transcendental by me with obeisances, worship. Well, a lot of these figures that we see referred to as incarnations were those who purified their consciousness and others who were, those who were particularly those who were official representatives of God, in the sense, hence the avatar, the sent one. There's such terms. I've jumbled a couple things here, but I think I've made my point. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, all attractive, God of sound, all enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.